Crocs on, Drake jacket on. What's up, Bagel? Saw a deer out here. Now Dad is somewhere roaming around. There he is. What is it like? It's 9:17. Pops is out here walking in the dark.
They already gone. They're over there by that white thing.
I don't see him. Yeah, but if y'all don't know what's happening right now, deer came out. I'm gonna see if that bird's still there. If y'all guys don't know, I blew a bird in half today. And if it was deer season, I could have blown this deer in half. Now I'm searching for the bird.
I bet the cat got. I don't think.
Well, I got Crocs on, so I mean, I can't see crap, but I'll send it. Oh, my shoes are wet. You see my socks. There he is. Shoot. Dang.
There's the bottom half.
There's the bottom half. I blew
Top
this.
half, bottom half.
So from here to the deck, there's the bird.
Why'd you let her out?
I don't know. And my dad was tempted to shoot it. I was like, grab 17, and I'll bust it. So, grabbed 17, and I said, she gone. And yep, she was gone. I swear that cat is Spider-Man. Jumped onto the deck. There's that golf ball. Yeah, he missed it. Get y'all tail up here. I'm itching. Yeah, that's really all. I haven't made a YouTube video in a while, so bye.